Hello student, today we discuss some topic of chapter number 1 introduction of BME subject, that is basic mechanical engineering. So in this lecture we discuss two topic. First prime mover and second thermodynamic system. So first, what is prime mover? So it is a device which use natural energy and convert their energy into mechanical energy, or it is some useful work. For example, windmill which convert wind energy into mechanical energy, steam turbine which convert steam energy into rotational form, that is mechanical energy. So prime mover, that is device which convert natural energy into mechanical energy. Now classification of prime mover. So that is prime mover that is classified based on energy source used by prime mover. So there are various type of energy which is used by prime mover and convert this energy into some mechanical work. So there is mainly two type of prime mover according to energy source used by prime mover, that is thermal and non-thermal. Now in thermal prime mover, first one fuel. So heat engine which use fuel, petrol, diesel, etc. to convert their chemical energy into some useful work or mechanical energy. Then nuclear fuel such as uranium, thorium, then geothermal, then bioenergy, mainly that is methane gas, and then direct solar energy. Now this fuel that is also classified into two type. First, EC engine, so that is external combustion engine which use steam for to convert their energy into some mechanical energy, and second one IC engine, that is internal combustion engine, 4-stroke, 2-stroke, that is one which convert chemical energy of fuel into mechanical energy. So in thermal group there are fuel, nuclear, geothermal, bioenergy and direct solar energy. In second group, that is non-thermal, in which first hydel energy, which is water energy used by hydropower plant to convert their water energy, potential energy into kinetic energy. Second one tidal energy, third one wind energy. So in second group, that is non-thermal, first hydel energy, second tidal and third wind energy which is used by windmill to convert into mechanical form. Now next one, that is thermodynamic system. So thermodynamic system means it is a particular area in which particular reaction is proceed. So thermodynamic system, it means it is a particular area in which some reaction takes place. So that is thermodynamic system, and everything external to thermodynamic system, that is surrounding, and system plus surrounding, that is universe. So universe means system and surrounding together form universe. Now boundary, it separate system from surrounding. So boundary separate system from surrounding. It is real or imaginary. It is fixed or movable. Okay. Then there are mainly three type of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. In open system, energy and mass transfer from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. For example, IC engine, boiler, pump, nozzle, diffuser. These are the example of open system in which heat or energy and mass transfer from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. Then next one, closed system. In closed system, only energy transfer from system to surrounding or surrounding to system, no mass transfer. So in closed system, no mass transfer, only energy transfer. And example of closed system, that is boiling of water in closed vessel or thermometer. Then next one, that is isolated system. So in isolated system, neither heat and nor mass transfer from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. It means total energy of system remain constant. So that is isolated system, and example, that is thermos flask, in which neither heat nor mass transfer. So these are the three type of system: open, closed, and isolated system. And in next lecture, we discuss some important topic. For example, what is process, path, state, and we also discuss three basic thermodynamic law, that is zeroth law, first law, and second law. Okay, thank you.